Hello everyone, how to solve different programming errors accurately and quickly using AI engines such as Gemini or ChatGPT. Please subscribe to the channel to reach every important videos you upload, and please like to enhance our search engine reach. Let's go now. This is the error on Excel programming, VBA Excel, and this is the error. Instead of I copy or write, I cannot copy this error, so I will take a picture using screenshot, print screen, okay, print screen, and then select or Gemini or ChatGPT and ask the Gemini solve the error here and copy. You have to good spelling here and copy the picture here, okay, and this box, and after loading it, submit and wait for the answer of ChatGPT or Gemini. Here I'm using Gemini, so the answer there are many problems. So here are the solution. There are many. One of this enable macros. Go to File, Options, Trust Center, and the Trust Center setting, and choose the desired macro security level. If you trust the source of the macro, select Enable all macros. So we go to File, Options, and Trust Center. In Excel, we will go to File, Option, Trust Center, File. We have to close this, and then select the File. And here there are options, and there here Trust Center. So Trust Center here, and the Trust Center setting. And let's remember what else about the Trust center error, center here, and then macro setting. Choose the macro setting, enable all macros. Let's go to macro setting. Macro setting, and here enable all macros. Okay, and let's try again this program. Okay, so press start. We have the same problem. The macro may not be available in this workbook, or all macros may be disabled. So let's go and select another solution. Navigate to correct module. Look for the module, this one, or module where teach exam supporting is defined. It's not in the current workbook. You will need to import the macro from the source file. Okay, so this is all the situation about how to use ChatGPT in correcting errors.